arrived right here at our put-in point, or the closest point to our put-in point. This little village just behind me, and currently we are unloading the boats, loading them up with multi-day gear, and then we're gonna head that way into the jungle, about to go explore and find out what this river has in store for us. Shouldering my boat, leaving the cars and heading off into an adventure. Let's see what this river has in store for us. Oh, the boat feels quite heavy now that it's loaded. But yeah, here we go.
Here we go.
Trying to find our way. It's a small path. Luckily, we have some villagers showing us the way to the big waterfall apparently. Stoked to see what that's all about. Step back. First view on the river. We're finding stouts right there. Waterfalls.
I think it's a medium high.
Arrived at river level. Behind me is a little bamboo bridge. Locals used to cross over the river, and this is where our adventure starts. We're gonna drop in with our kayaks here and head down through the jungle into the next village, which will be around 25 kilometers and 250 meters of gradient. Big days ahead. This is going to be awesome. I'm stoked. Let's see what's in there. Here at this straight horizon line, we didn't know what to expect, and we found this pretty big rocky slide which is not navigatable in a kayak. So the next step for us to do is to find a way around here on the shore to get back in the boat and continue our journey. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, we are in here. Soon I think it's time to find a camp spot, especially since it gets dark here really early, about 5 o'clock. It's pitch black, and the last thing you want to end up happening to you is being caught in the darkness in the jungle without being prepared for it. So I think a few more rapids and we're going to start looking for tonight's camp and set that up. Sleeping spot for tonight. Sick. Hopes we home. That's the bed right there. Oh, what a nice bed. Last call, Guwahati! Really good. 5:30 in the morning.
We weren't ready yet.
Putting down camp, preparing breakfast, and then it's the same thing as yesterday. Stuffing everything into these boats and head on down the river. Off to day 2.
I'm a little frustrated. I could say the wrong thing, I would take the long way home. So we could do this all day. Hope it feels at your place. Speaking of the truth, I'd say I've been thinking about it every day and always. If we're speaking about the truth, I'd say, well, I can't keep hanging on a white fence, cause they say have a good sense of who you are and who you gotta run. They say have a good sense, doesn't make sense to me now. It's just so rude, blaming me, you keep attitude. I know the truth. It's a shame, but I ain't playing a fool. You got everybody on your side, watching now with half shut eyes. Oh, latching on the lies, latching on to something that you know ain't true. Cause the truth is you're so rude. Every day just the same, never ends, no last page. We could do this your way, fill in blanks with what you won't say. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it, just like always. Luck's running out, and never coming your way. And we're talking about the truth, I'd say. Good sense, got a good sense. Mama gave me good sense. She raised a 10 and never spoke about it. 2 cents, kept the 2 cents, cause it doesn't make sense to me now. It's just so rude, blaming me and keep attitudes. I know the truth. It's a shame, but I ain't playing the fool. You got everybody on your side, watching out with half shut eyes. They're latching on the lies, latching on to something that you know ain't true. Cause the truth is you're so rude.
Just ran this like triple combo thing behind me. We couldn't barely see from the top. It was kind of like, we think it's good to go, but not quite sure. But as you can tell, we are in the jungle, and scouting / walking around is quite tricky. But yeah, walked it all good. Some massive boobs, great skips, and that was awesome. Just leaving the gorge now. The riverbed is opening up a bit more. Look at this beautiful piece of nature. That is so awesome. So now we got a little bit of more open riverbed coming up. Then we're gonna jump into the last gorge before we have a fairly flat paddle out. Let's see what's here waiting downstream for us, but so far, so good. Just ran this picture perfect waterfall, got to the next horizon line. It's again a great waterfall, but this time we have a different type of danger in there. Check this out. These guys trying to catch us, but they can't catch us because we're too fast and too hot to handle. To the bottom of the river. This was an amazing journey down, so many cool rapids. Being the first crew to be in this thing is obviously also amazing. Great to open it up for future groups. I'm sure more kayakers will come in the near future, but for now it's a flat paddle out, about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours of flat water until we find ourselves back in the small village. We opted for a takeout and call it a day. Oh yeah. Finishing up the Umiam expedition in 3, 2, 1. Finish. Rishikesh. Maha.